Imagine a time when your favorite character from the Disney movie Frozen roamed the Earth. Many millions of years ago, scientists say that picture in your mind was a reality. However, Olaf wasn't traversing that icy ancient Earth, and Elsa wasn't responsible for turning our planet into a big snowball. It was Mother Nature herself. It's hard to believe, but at one point, Earth was a bright white bundle of ice and snow. Recent research by a group of scientists from Australia offers concrete evidence of this ancient icy world. This team might have even uncovered how this frosty situation came to be. Imagine the Earth almost completely frozen over. Dr. Adriana Dutkiewicz, Australian Research Council, ARC, future fellow and professor at the University of Sydney, said in a statement, "That's just what happened about 700 million years ago. The planet was blanketed in ice from poles to equator, and temperatures plunged. But what exactly caused this extreme ice age?" Dutkiewicz and her team made critical discoveries during a field trip to the Flinders Range in South Australia. They observed glacial debris from the Sturtian glaciation period and examined data derived from Earthbite computer models. These models are the result of collaboration between Australian universities, international military organizations, and industry partners, providing open access to geological and geophysical data. By using a plate tectonic model to determine where Earth's continents and ocean basins were located 700 million years ago, and pairing it with a model focusing on carbon dioxide emissions, the team identified the onset of the Sturtian glaciation. This powerful ice age, spanning from 717 to 660 million years ago, likely began due to a significant drop in carbon dioxide emissions from volcanoes in present-day Canada. This reduction resulted in a prolonged planet ice. At that time, there were no multicellular animals or land plants on Earth. The greenhouse gas concentration in the atmosphere was almost entirely controlled by CO2 outgassing from volcanoes and by silicate rock weathering processes, which consume CO2. Dutkiewicz explained, "The greenhouse gas concentration of the atmosphere was almost entirely dictated by CO2 outgassing from volcanoes and by silicate rock weathering processes, which consume CO2. The big question remains, could Earth freeze over again? Before humans and even dinosaurs roamed the Earth, the planet's climate was influenced naturally by geology and weather. This contrasts with today, where human activity, such as burning coal, exacerbates natural changes." Dutkiewicz added that even though significant changes take time, we must still be cautious about how we care for our planet. Whatever the future holds, it is important to note that geological climate change, of the type studied here, happens extremely slowly, Dr. Dutkiewicz said. According to NASA, human-induced climate change is happening at a pace 10 times faster than we have seen before. This research was published in the February issue of the journal Geology. If you're as fascinated by Earth's geological history as we are, check out these amazing products that can bring a piece of Earth's past into your home. First, dive deep into Earth's history with the book, The Story of Earth, The First 4.5 Billion Years, From Stardust to Living Planet, by Robert M. Hazen. It's a must-read for anyone interested in the geological history of our planet. For those who want to explore Earth's past themselves, we recommend the National Geographic Earth Science Kit. This high-quality educational kit is perfect for amateur geologists and earth science enthusiasts. And for a fun and engaging activity, build your own piece of geological history with the Fascinations Metal Earth 3D laser cut model, Globe. This model set is a great way to appreciate Earth's intricate details. Check out the links in the description to learn more about these products. Happy exploring! See you in next video!